What do you mean you do not read? What? Only fosses like me read books? It is the age of audiobooks? Fine, go watch Netflix or something and turn your brain into mush. Rest of you, listen. When I was starting game dev like 7 years ago, I was clueless about all that. I knew how to code, but actually designing a game? No idea. What the hell are gameplay loops? Some serials for gamers? So I done my research and found one book, the Bible of Game Design. Level Up, The Guide to Great Video Game Design by Scott Rogers. Who is Scott Rogers? Just designer who worked for companies like Disney, Capcom, Sony and THQ to name a few. Of course, nobody heard of him. Anyway, he decided to share his knowledge in a book, and thank God for that. If you really want to level up as game designer, this is a book that you should read and study. It is not a cheap one, but for sure worth the price if you are serious about game dev. It covers everything you should know: what is the structure of game dev team, how to get ideas, how to write story, design characters, controls, enemies, levels, and much more. It even comes with game design document templates. Not enough? It even gives you how to monetize and market your game and turn it into a product. Why are you still here? Go buy it and start reading, so you know how to design games.